If you want to draw something on photos on iPhone 17, what you need to do is we're gonna go to Photos, let's open the library, and over here we want to choose the photo that we wish to edit. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here. Now we're gonna tap on this icon at the bottom with 3 sliders, and now we can tap on this markup icon in the upper right corner. And then if the photo is a live photo, then we have to press OK to confirm that we know that the live feature will be disabled. And there we go. Over here we have a bunch of different tools and that we can use. We can also change the color, of course. So let's say I'm gonna switch to this red one. There we go. And we can close this now. And we can start drawing anything that we wish to draw on our photo. And once you are done, we can press this check in the upper right corner. There we go. And also we can tap on and down in the upper right corner again. And that's pretty much it. Now we have edited our photo. Remember that you can always go back to editing and you can revert that change to original, like this. You can also tap on these 3 dots. Sorry, not here. Let's actually go to editing and let's draw something quickly, just for now. There we go. And if you want to, you can also tap on these 3 dots in the upper right side, right next to the markup icon, and you should be able to save as duplicate once we press done, I believe. I'm not sure why I cannot do this right now. Maybe not, I'm not sure why, but we can even duplicate the photo if you want to, and then we can revert to all these changes for one photo. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.